Boy, oh boy. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel with another video. Let me tell you something real about mental health. Let me, Spiritual Master, tell you something real about mental health that nobody talks about, okay? There's not a soul on earth that talks about what I'm about to talk about right now. So stay tuned to the end of the video, okay? So if you're new to the channel, my name is Spiritual Master. If this is your first time, please hit the like and subscribe for more content. But let me tell you something real about mental health that nobody wants to talk about, okay? Don't y'all understand this. Understand this very carefully and listen carefully. No matter what you do on this earth, this world has a way to break the souls that have the biggest mission. No matter what you do, no matter how kind you are, no matter how nice you are, no matter how you give back to charity, no matter how much good energy you give to the world, this world will do everything in its power to try to put you down. That's step one. You got to understand this off the rip. I have mental health struggles. You have mental health struggles. We all have mental health struggles because we are living in a dimension that's designed to create mental health problems. This is something that most people do not understand. We live in a world, okay, that is designed to put you down, even if you do everything correct. Okay? Look at Michael Jackson, for example. Perfect example. When I was 5 years old, right, I turned on the channel and it was Michael Jackson's 30th anniversary. And I was like, as a kid, I'm like, why does he look like that? You know, why does he look like that? My mom explained to me that he had a skin disorder and he did a whole bunch of different surgeries, right? Who cares? Who cares what he looks like? The man gave the world light codes full of love and healing potential and healing power in his music. Okay? His music was catchy, yes, but those were healing tones. His dance moves, his movements were healing tones. Michael Jackson was different because he was from a different dimension. He came to share love and share wisdom. He gave back to charity, right? He gave back to sick children. But do we talk about that? No, we do not. You see, we don't talk about that stuff. Instead, we talk about the weird stuff or the stuff that, oh, he's weird. Michael Jackson's weird, all this stuff. Dr. Sebi, he came to heal people. He came to heal people and help people heal from all their problems. Do we exalt these men? Do we put these men on a pedestal? No. What do? We tear them down, we break them down, and we bury them. So with that being said, people, the reason why I brought that up is because I want you to understand you care about what people think. And that's 9 times out of 10 why you're struggling with your mental health. It's because you're worrying about what this person thinks about you. Truth be told, you could be you could be damn near perfect. People are going to find a way to not like you. So you have to learn how to like yourself. No matter what, you have to find a way to love yourself because everyone else is not going to love you, bro. So that's one of the main reasons I see how people struggle with their mental health. It's because you're worrying about what the next person is thinking about you. You're worrying about what they say. Who cares? Half the time, these people don't even like themselves. Okay? Half the time, these people can't even look in the mirror and say something nice about themselves. So why do you care about what they think about you, my friend? Stop doing that. A lot of y'all go, oh, I can't go on anymore. Oh, I'm sick of life. I'm tired of life. I'm about to call it a day. I'm done. Let me tell you a little secret, okay? If you call it a day now versus you waiting until you're 100 years old and you dying of old age, the same thing's going to happen. You're going to wake up to the fact that you're infinite consciousness. You're going to wake up to the fact that you are the creator of your reality. You are going to wake up to the fact that you are the source of all love, all wisdom, all joy, all prosperity. So you might as well keep going, my friend. You might as well keep going. I understand it's not easy. It's hard. I get it. I know where you're coming from. I know where you guys are coming from. Life is hard. This is hell. So it's not going to be easy. Okay? But I get it, man. Trust me, I get it. Your loved ones pass away. The person that you thought was supposed to be the one you spent your entire life with broke your heart. Whatever the case may be, you are on this earth for a higher mission. If you're going through something, congratulations. That means you have a higher purpose attached to your life. You have to see it through. Even though sometimes it's very difficult to see it. But understand, we beat ourselves up for no reason, bro. Half the stuff that we think about ourselves, most people don't care. Most people aren't thinking the same thing you're thinking because you're beating yourself up. You're like, oh, I'm not attractive. Oh, I'm ugly. I can't find nobody. So I'm just going to call it a day. Bro, listen, bro. I get where you're coming from, people. I understand. But you got to understand this. Half the time that you're struggling with your mental health is you beating yourself up. Okay? So step one, stop caring about what people think about you. If they're not in your shoes, if they've never walked in your shoes, you shouldn't even care what they think. You shouldn't care. They've never been in your shoes. They've never felt what you've been through. So why do you care what they think? Step two, stop beating yourself up. We all have flaws. We all have insecurities. Some of us are overweight. Some of us are underweight. We all have problems. Even the ones that you think are very attractive or very beautiful or whatever, they struggle with stuff too. Some of them have addictions that they cannot stop. Some of you guys, right, can say, I'm not going to drink today. I'm not going to smoke weed today. Some people who you call really attractive are addicts. They need some type of vice to keep going. Everyone is going through something. If you're struggling with your mental health, you have to understand this. Everybody is going through something. You're not the only one with the problem that you have. You're not the only one where you're losing loved ones or you think you're ugly or whatever the case may be. You're not the only one who feels like this, but there's things you can do to get out of that rut. Okay? You got to move your body. You got to go work out, bro. Go do something for yourself. Stop waiting for other people to validate you or to tell you what you need to do with your life. You need to make that decision. No one is going to come to you and say, hey, you need to, start losing weight or you need to start eating healthier. Stop waiting for people to tell you. No one is obligated to love you. There's no person on this earth who is obligated to love you, but you are obligated to love yourself. This is a direct message from the universe. We need to stop putting so much pressure on other people to love us, but you need to love yourself. And the reason why I can say this with a clear conscience is because I've gone through mental health struggles myself. I've struggled with many different things myself. Okay? I'm not perfect. I go through so many different things in my life. So many different things. Okay? But I'm not going to just quit, bro, because life is hard. We're all going through something difficult. Everybody. Right? So I don't want to keep y'all too long, man. I want to keep this message nice and short and sweet. But I understand you're going through a lot, bro. I get it. You don't want to continue. Life is hard, but you're going through it for a reason because you can handle it. Okay? So It's been another message with Spiritual Master. I'm going to catch you in the next one.